So as I went through the questions, and I am going to answer as many as I can, but as I went through the questions, I realized that in order to answer the questions effectively, I was going to be introducing a number of sort of basic principles. So I decided that what I would do is just share those principles at the beginning and then refer back to them as I go through the questions, rather than bringing them up sort of willy-nilly as I went along. So this is going to be Organizing 101. And the first principle is there is no right or wrong way to declutter or organize. And I want to make that really clear. There is no one right way. A lot of the questions were, what's the right way to do this? What's the right way to do that? I mean, certainly there are some tried and true tips and techniques, but as long as you can find what you need, you're happy with the way things look, others in your household are happy with it, then you're doing it right. Okay? The other thing, the other principle, the first principle of organizing and decluttering is just pretend like you're in kindergarten. You're going to put like with like, blue with blue, pink with pink, tall dresses with tall dresses. In your papers, you're going to put financial records with financial records. With your shoes, you're going to do it either by dressy or by color. So you're going to start by just putting like with like. And so that's an organizing principle, but it's also a helpful decluttering principle, because once you get all of your black dresses together, and, you know, we might argue that one can't have too many black dresses, but once you get them all together, and it's also the mindful part is noticing over time how you use things. So you may notice that you put on a particular black dress and then you take it off and you end up wearing one of the other black dresses. So that's the kind of thing we're going to be more mindful about as you go forward. And that you can apply that to any category. Notice which are your favorites. And use what you have. You don't have to go to the Container Store. I mean, occasionally you might find the perfect solution there or at Target or wherever. But start with what you have. Just use shoe boxes. Just use whatever you have. And then label. And especially if you are using shoe boxes, you know, you want to know what's in there. A lot of people like to buy plastic containers because then they can see what's in them. But I label even my plastic containers. And then the other principle is the 80-20 rule. And this applies in many, many areas of life. But the way it applies to decluttering and organizing is we usually use 20% of what we own in any category of things. Any category. And we usually get 80% of the value from that 20% of the objects. So as you become more mindful and work on your own in the next couple of weeks, just notice which ones do I gravitate towards and which ones do I actually use. Primary storage just means keep things close to where you use them, okay? So in terms of the books, you're going to want to keep the novels, things you read at night, in your bedroom. You're going to want to keep books that you use for your business in your office. You may like to do reading in the living room, so you could have a place for books there.